This is the first side. This is the first machine. We put all the builds on the machine. In this bag, we put the work loads, balance pieces, Chinese tea pots as a gift for you. Stacker, travel stitch, we put in that mixer. The red color is advanced banners for you. Very big, very big. Forward, post this one is okay. The second one, second block machine, loading container. You can see total 20 pieces of wheels. We put in the middle of first machine and the second machine. And over there still have some wheels. Total 20 pieces, 5 sets machine, 10 pieces trolley. So 20 pieces of wheels. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces wheels. Over there have 2 pieces, total 8 pieces. We already load 12 pieces wheels. Load the first conveyor into the container.那是多少串在这滚子？多少串在这滚子？1 bag is the roller for 1 conveyor. Then over there is 1 conveyor. Now already loading this container 2 sets machine, 1 4 sets conveyor, and 12 pieces wheels, trolley parts. It's the second conveyor. We will load in container. The second conveyor load container. This is the second one. The second conveyor put on the first conveyor. We put the first trolley, total 10 pieces trolley. We put the first trolley on the conveyor. Now we already load in container 5 pieces trolleys. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. The third says block machine loading in container. The third says. Load the fourth set block machine. Now we already load 4 sets of the block machine, 2 pieces conveyor, 5 pieces trolley. You can see it's last pieces wheels we put in the middle of the third set machine and the fourth set machine. It's the fifth and this is the fifth and the fourth. Oh, the third one, the fourth one conveyor. We will load in container. The fourth conveyor. The fourth conveyor. We will put the fourth conveyor on the top of the third conveyor. Now in container we already load 4 sets block machine, 4 pieces belt conveyor, 8 pieces trolley. We still have 1 over there, 2 pieces trolley. After the color feeder have 1 conveyor, not a load. Non-size mixer we put there. The last machine behind the big machine. Now already load 5 sets QT4 24 block machine. Still need to load 2-piece trolley, 1 conveyor, and 9 sets mixer, and some parts for machine. 5 sets machine, 5 sets conveyor, 10 pieces trolley loading container. Now we load mixer. Load the last mixer into a container. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The last one. 4.哎呀，太好了，太好了，太棒了！啊 ！Beautiful conveyor and conveyor motor we put in the mixer. Trolley parts. This is for you. Stack travel switch. There is catalog. Built. 这什么？这是搅拌机的3兄弟。Built for the mixer.
它还有搅拌机，有这些里面还是。
And clothes, advertisement banner and gift or put in of the container. Now all finished to load in the container. 1 set machine, 1 tool.